This video covers various operations involving copying and reading Pandas data frames to and from the system clipboard using Pandas built-in functionality. The average body mass of each penguin species in the Palmer penguins dataset has been calculated with an SQL query. The resulting data frame passed to the system clipboard has two columns, average body mass and species. The same data frame can be collected from the clipboard in an IPython console. Additionally, the data frame can be displayed as a bar chart using Pandas GUI, which provides an interactive visualization of the data. The same data frame can be modified in a Bash console using an awk script. Finally, it's possible to copy the modified standard output, formatted as a comma-separated values, back to the clipboard. KDE Lab Plot software is a scientific plotting and data analysis tool. The extended Python library for KDE Lab Plot provides additional functionality to the software, including the ability to use Pandas data frames, and read and visualize data located in the system clipboard. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe. Check out the description for more information.